that? What is it? What are you gonna do? Yeah. What's that?
Yeah.
Here, why don't I start it for you?
Yeah, I can get started.
Oh yeah, that's hard. There. Whoa, that's fun. And you're gonna eat your present? Oh, Sam, that's good. Who opens his present? Sam does. That's good, Sam.
No, bud.
You open the present, buddy. Are you trying to do it for him? Is that why you're getting closer? Because you want to do it for him?
I just don't want him to actually bite off a piece and swallow it.
Oh, it's fine. Fiber. Here, I'll help a little bit. How's that? Yeah, isn't that fun? Oh, look at how much fun that is. You don't even care about what's inside, do you? Oh, yeah, that's fun. Good job, Sam. Can I help? Whoa, that's fun. There you go, buddy. Yeah, Sam opens his present. That's good. Yay. That's good. What did you get? Well, can I see what you got? You can play with the paper, but I want to see what you got. What are you doing? Well, what did you get? Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Look at that. Oh, he has a quilt. Oh, that's precious. That's nice, Daddy. Sammy got a quilt. He's like, I don't care. I'm playing with my paper. That's a nice present you got, huh? Bunch of wrapping paper. Yeah, that's a good present. That's fun. That's a lot of fun. Are you done? What are you doing? What is this?